Hey, good morning, everyone. This is Julie. It is Wednesday, EIA Day, September 26th. Here's the crude oil contract. As you can see, we're kind of bearish going into the open. The Globex session is pulling off of its two daily highs. And this is the intraday time frame, a 60-minute chart on the left and a 3-minute chart on the right for trading. And these are the JATS Bloodhound templates. I have a process where I trade higher time frame trend, linear regression, and momentum together. Those are my cocktails that I like. And I start with linear regression and want a certain condition to be present, long or short, and then I can take that down and break it down into smaller chunks and try to get inside the market, then trading that direction when the price sets up for those extended runs on an intraday time frame. And then, of course, the daily chart, is the key to all of this, especially with my linear regression system. Let me back this up so you can see it. You can tell from this chart that we went from a downtrend last summer, July, and then August, September, October, November, December, January, February, really was that thrust. And here's my linear regression template. And so when you see price action leave the upper band, come back, test this lower band, which it did right. Let me put the highlighter on right here. And then you got this candle that broke the band and then followed through and broke the upper band. This is your signal for an uptrend. And so you put your stop on the outside of this downtrend band, and that's your trailing stop. And here we went. Let me get the ruler out. $19 in price action, and for crude oil, $19, which is quite a lot of a range. And then, of course, we love our signals that it's retracing, choppy, and so you're looking again for this price action to break the band and continue the trend. You want a body close above it. So here we came, got a body close, came back, checked the bottom of the band, turned around. So this test of that bottom band where you got your reversal on that bottom band is an excellent reentry signal. Okay, and if you didn't time that correctly, here we broke the band, came back to the mid bands, got a doji reversal right here on the mid bands, and then boom, there's your signal, very strong bull bar back outside the band, and it went up. Again, it goes up. So price just does not go vertical. I wish it were, right? We all do. But we've got to time these market actions. And right now, we're sort of in this topping out sideways ranging pattern right here. And that's consolidation. And anytime you see consolidation like this, that is a trend continuation pattern, even though it is a rectangle. And so you're looking for opportunities to get back in the trend. So like this great reversal bar, do you see how strong that bull bar was right here? Trend continuation. And then here's another one, bull bar. And then here's your break right there. There's your break of the channel up. So even though we're testing the top of our range right here, I would put my stop below 68 and be positioning for a thrust up to break the top of our range box. Consolidation again is a trend continuation pattern, and usually you will want to go in the direction that the market was going in prior to consolidating. So we're looking for breaks of these ranges. So anytime you can get a bull bar outside of that is what we want to see. And we got one here, but it failed, came back, tested the bottom of the range, turning around. So here was our wedge, right there, wedge. And when you get a wedge and it broke out of the wedge, that's continuation. So I'll be looking for this top to break as we continue on our quest for higher crude prices. And again, you know, trading it can be a little bit tricky, so that's why we use our 15-minute, 3-minute, 30-minute, 60-minute charts in the room to try to time these. I've got various templates. You can go and select something like this, and this would help tremendously because this is the part that we're looking for, and that's called the sweet spot. All right, up or down, right? Can make money going both ways. Y'all be good, and we'll see you in the trade room. Thank you so much.